Do they usually lock it up in bags when it comes in, or?
I know they got 3 boxes in last night. I'm sure you already looked through here.
Yeah.
William, can you look in the lockbox and see what ammo I got in last night? It was 5.56. You're looking for now. Yeah, go ahead and tell me. I got the gun standing in front of me. 30, 40 Smith and Wesson and 270.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Appreciate it, sir.
Yep. Hello and good morning, YouTube. It's Randy Dodd doing a ammo update here at the Walmart in Abilene, Texas. And again, they really did not get any ammunition in. It's very, very small load, not much at all. And I did call the other location up on 351, but I am not 100% satisfied that I talked to anybody that had any correct answers or had the information, especially judging from this Walmart. I spent probably 30 minutes trying to get an answer of some kind or another, but this Walmart really does not get much ammo in at all.